Can I help you a second?
This way, let's take turns.
I'm making roll first.
Here, Ellie, go sit by your stuff and we'll take a picture. I turn it on first.
Okay.
You want to sit by your stuff and we'll take a picture?
I
You don't know?
I mean, look what Ellie got from Santa.
I got some slippers too. You want to put yours on?
You got Minnie Mouse. You got Minnie Mouse,
You want to
don't
put yours
you?
on?
No. Hi, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse.
So just keep that scissors down here.
Well, I took it.
I got it. It just was hard for a minute.
What can you do that with mine?
Ready?
I already did. And it how can't do.
Let me help you.
Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Hi, Minnie Mouse.
Those are good.
They're Gucci. Your feet are Minnie Mouse.
Okay.
And Ellie's feet are
Emery, you want to
Hello
go first?
Kitty. Yeah.
Okay. Do the list. Anything in there? What's in your stocking?
I did it. A present.
What else is in there?
Another present? Cut. Another present?
Do you want to put that on?
Yeah. You're Minnie Mouse today. Can I open it? Can I open it?
You want to open that one? You can open the one at the same time.
Something's not wrapped in here. Mommy!
Oh, cool.
These are so fun! Look it! Mommy, they're not just one color. They're different colors.
Can you get it? Need to help you start it?
Mommy, what is this?
Here you go.
What is this? Mommy, I do not know what this is.
It's scented chapsticks, it looks like.
Yep, it is.
Okay. And I'll open one of your presents there.
Yeah. Where's the big present? Ah!
What did you get?
Ah!
Huh? You can get them out?
Mommy, we got the Brave the movie.
What?
Look at Mommy, Brave.
Arnold. Oh, cool. Here, let me see.
Brave the movie.
I didn't get to see. Cause you
Brave.
What'd you get? Hello Kitty socks?
How did you get that? Hey, I got Hello Kitty socks too.
Oh, you did. They're awesome.
No, you didn't.
Hers are bigger, Emery.
Mine are big.
Gonna open another one?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Santa
I think there's something else.
bring me toys. Me, Daddy.
What? Santa got you panties?
Yes, there is. Pink hair.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. You can clip those in your hair.
So I could have pink hair.
Yeah.
Mom, is my color hairs?
Well, yeah, it's still there. I can see it right there. Yeah, that's cool.
Cool.
You got new panties.
Mom, he wrote.
Cool.
Mom, you know what he wrote? He wrote L.
Is that your best gift?
Yeah. Mom, you know what he wrote? L.
L.
Let's see it, Elle.
What'd you get?
A
A
movie.
movie? You got the Lorax. That's a good one too. I love that one.
Look at. Lorax. Lorax.
You want a picture with your movie too?
Yeah. I
Okay,
I'm
why don't
gonna
you
eat-
wait? Why don't you give Emery a turn to open one? Are you gonna save some for when Grandma comes or not?
Yeah. Open.
You gonna open that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up. A bib? I don't think Santa's giving you a bib. What is it? It's a bath towel. Oh, it's a bath towel with a scrubby with Cinderella on it. That's nice.
My turn. No,
Yep, Ellie's turn now.
Ellie's turn. Look at my finger. Lick my fingertip. Panties?
Ellie got panties too. Santa must have thought you guys needed new underwears.
Well, I think he saw me never. And like, I always have to dig and dig for underwear.
Yeah,
And for
that's
panties.
awesome. Did you want to open one more or do you want to wait for Grandma for the rest?
Grandma for the rest.
You want to wait for Grandma? Or you want to open one more?
One more.
One more? Want to open that one?
So heavy.
Is it?
Probably got the same thing as me. 1 second. My turn. Oh, this is the rubber. Here. And a toy. For you. For you. To Bayo.
Santa must know you love Caillou so much.
I don't think that's Caillou.
Yeah, it is.
See?
It's for the bathtub.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's Caillou to put in the bathtub. Look it. You put him in the bathtub and then he spits water out. I think. And you can go down the slide. That looks like fun.
And then Caillou goes get some clothes on and then take a bath.
Yeah. Say thank you, Santa.
Put that in.
Which one are you gonna pick to open next?
This will look like the big one. I'm gonna keep one big one for Santa, for Grandma and Grandpa to see. So that can that be the big one for Grandpa? Mine is Grandma's Grandpa. A big one. Lego friends!
That is just what you asked for.
Yay, Lego friends!
That's what you asked Santa for. He must have read your letter.
It's the best present ever! Thank you so
But it's a stable. Can't wait to build that with you. That'll be fun. I used to love to play with that.
I like to play with my baby.
Yeah, I got a baby. You've got all your new babies over there.
Two.
Should mommy and daddy open their presents?
Yeah.
Okay, go
Yeah.
give daddy his present.
Uh,